My name's Anthony Zuefeldt. I am a solution consultant at Hiarc, and my background is in home building. I spent close to a decade working for builders. Early in my career, I had to make a change to a kitchen layout. And this kitchen layout was in, I think, 55 plans. We'd go into Revit, I would spend a few minutes opening the file. I would go through my checklist of changes. I would make them, I'd save the file, print the master plan PDF, and do it again. It took me an entire summer as an intern to do this change. When I came to Hiarc, I actually wanted to test out what it would take to do that same work that I did 15 years before. And it was kind of comical. Something that took an intern an entire summer to do. It takes 20 minutes in Hiarc with the central data engine. Home building is actually manufacturing adjacent. And when we start to think of home building as a manufacturing business, that we're building hundreds or thousands of a product over and over, it gives you the opportunity to reimagine the way you manage your product. When Hiarc comes into the picture, you're presented an opportunity to not just use a platform that connects your departments and makes data exchange easy. You're given an opportunity to change process. When you look at the heart of Hiarc, it's our people. And our people have a shared experience and pain of going through terrible software implementations. We've all been there. We're gonna work with you from day one, aligning your strategy and building a roadmap to implement in a way that works for your business. We take it very seriously. We know that for us to be successful, for our customers to be successful, we have to be truly partners. We're business partners collaborating on building your future together.